Good day, everyone. I'm Grace Fontelia. Today, I invite you to our journey with me as we rediscover why teaching is called the noblest of all professions and why it deserves only the best preparation and the best candidates. Have you ever wondered what makes teaching so special? It is not just about transferring knowledge, it's about shaping hearts, it's about planting seeds of curiosity and kindness in every learner. Every profession in this world begins under the guidance of a teacher. Without teachers, there will be no doctors to heal, no engineers to build, no scientists to discover, and no leaders to inspire. Teachers are the silent architect of society's future. They influence generations without seeing the full impact of their work. Their classroom lessons echo in how we think, how we act, and how we dream. But more than teaching subjects, teachers teach hope. They believe in us when we doubt ourselves. They stay late preparing lessons, checking papers, and caring for students, often without recognition of fanfare. Teaching is novel because it's selfless. It's not driven by fame or fortune, but purpose, passion, and love. A single teacher can transform the life of the child who has lost faith in learning. A single word of encouragement can ignite a future leader. Teaching is indeed the noblest profession. Then it demands the highest kind of preparation. To teach is to mold the hearts and minds of future generations. And such a vital responsibility requires knowledge, patience, creativity, and strong moral integrity. The best teachers are not born, they are prepared. They study how children think and how they learn and how they grow. They learn to design lessons that speak curiosity and make learning meaningful. Teacher education is more than lesson plans and exams. It's about learning empathy, discipline, and understanding that every learner is unique. It's about developing the courage to guide, the humility to listen, and the wisdom to inspire. Preparing to teach means preparing to lead. With love, we must train not only the mind but also the heart. Because in a classroom, knowledge alone is not enough. It takes heart to truly reach a child. Teaching deserve the best minds, the best hearts, and the best character. We need teachers who teach not for a salary, but for a service. Teachers who education is the key to transforming lives. Teachers who can adapt to a challenging world while holding onto the timeless values of compassion and respect. The best candidates for teaching is not always the most intelligent, but the one who cares the most, someone who finds joy in seeing others learn and peace in helping others succeed. So, to the young people watching this, if you have patience, empathy, and desire to shape the future, the classroom is waiting for you. You are needed, you are called, and you are capable of becoming the next great teachers who changes lives. Teaching is not about standing in front of class. It's about standing beside your students, guiding them toward who they can become. Teachers who touch the future in ways no one else can. They may not always see the fruits of their labor, but their influence endures through every life they touch. So let us give our teachers the honor they deserve. Let us support their preparation, value, and their dedication, and inspire the next generation to take up the calling. Because when we invest in teachers, we invest in tomorrow. When we dignify teaching, we dignify every other profession. Behind every lesson plan created late at night, behind every bulletin board and every stack of paper to check, is a heart that dreams of a brighter tomorrow for every child. Teaching is not just about done in a classroom. It continues in every moment of care and guidance. When a teacher comforts a crying child, motivates a discouraged learner, or simply listens to a student's story, those are lessons that can last a lifetime. In the Philippines, many teachers walk long distance, cross rivers, and work with limited materials, yet they never give up. Why? Because they believe in one truth. Education changes life. As Dr. Jose Rizal once said, the youth is the hope of our nation. But teachers are the ones who ignite that hope. Day by day, class by class, every morning when a teacher enters the classroom, they carry hope, wisdom, and love, the quiet strength that fuels the progress of our nations. The influence of a great teacher never truly ends. It lives on the choices their students make, in the values they carry, and in the kindness they show to others. Think about the teachers who once believed in you. The one who said, "Kaya mo yan." The one who smiled at you when you felt unseen. That teacher may have already forgotten that moment, but you did. That's the power of teaching. It goes beyond lessons and grades. It touches lives and souls. Great teachers teach subject, yes, but the greatest teachers teach life. They teach honesty, patience, respect, and love. They believe that every child is capable of becoming something great. And when those children grow up, they become the living proof of their teacher's success. A good teacher creates a level that grows wider and deeper across generation. In today's rapidly changing world, teachers face new challenges: digital learning, inclusive education, and global citizenship. But with the proper preparation and support, teachers can be change makers in every community. That's why we must invest in teacher education, professional training, and emotional well-being. When teachers are empowered, students thrive. When teachers are respected, society progress. Preparing good teachers is not just the work of school or universities. It's the work of a nation. Parents, communities, and leaders all share in the task of ensuring that our teachers are valued, trained, and inspired. Because when we uplift teacher, we uplift everyone. A nation cannot rise higher than its teachers. Imagine a Philippines where every teacher feels deeply supported and highly respected, where becoming a teacher is seen not as a last option, but as a first calling. This is the kind of nation we should all strive for. As a future teacher, I sometimes wonder I am ready for the responsibility? The answer reminds me that of why I choose this path. I choose teaching because I believe in people. Because every child, no matter their background, deserves someone who will see their worth. And if I can be that person, if I can help even one child believe that they can achieve something, that all my efforts will be worth it. Teaching is a profession and faith. Faith in others, faith in learning, and faith that change begins in the classroom. To my fellow educators, let us carry the torch with pride. Let us continue the noble legacy of those who taught us to dream. We are not just preparing lessons, we are preparing lives. The chalk dust may fade, the lesson may be erased by the board, but the mark of a future true teacher can never be erased. It is written, it is the hearts of their students forever. So let us celebrate our teachers, the heroes of the human spirit. Let us prepare well to join the ranks and honor them by being the best we can be. Because teaching is more than a profession. It is a promise to keep the flame of learning alive. No matter how dark the world may seem, every teacher leaves behind a legacy. One they cannot be measured by medals, ranks, or riches, but the lives they touch along the way. The greatest teachers may never see the full results of their labor, but their lessons live on every student who dares to dream. The way we speak, the courage we show, the compassion we offer, these are reflection of the teachers who shape our character. A teacher influence reaches even beyond their own lifetime. They band the unseen mentors behind every act of kindness, every invention, and every act of leadership. In every Filipino achiever, the doctor who heals, the farmer who cultivates, the artist who inspires, there's always a teacher in their story. Because teaching is a quiet form of immortality. The teacher may retire, but their wisdom never does. We live in a fast charging world. Technology evolves, informing multiples informations and challenging grow more complex. But amidst of the strange, the teacher remain constant, the bridge between knowledge and humanity, while technology can teach us facts, only teacher can teach us values. Artificial intelligence can explain lessons, but only a teacher can touch the human heart. The spirit of teaching will always be relevant because it is built on empathy, relationship, and purpose. In the digital age, teachers are not just keepers of knowledge, they are guides of wisdom. They remind us of what truly matters: understanding, cooperation, and compassion. And in every age, no matter how we advance our world becomes, one truth will never change. Teachers will always be the soul of education. To all teachers around the world, and especially here in the Philippines, thank you for your love, patience, and sacrifice. Thank you for carrying the light when others lose their way. You are mold, not just students, but communities. You are the fought battles inside and outside classrooms with determination and hope. You are proof that teaching is not just about lessons, it's about life itself. We see you, we honor you, we celebrate you. It's not just about on teacher day, but every single day that we continue to dream and grow. To the students who value teachers, lesson, respect, and honor the rule and growth, to the parents, support and appreciate the educators who nurture your children, and to those who inspire to teach, know that you are about to join a sacred mission to shape the destiny of a nation. The story of teaching is the story of humanity itself. It begins with curiosity, grows through guidance, and ends in transformation. The classroom is just four walls in the heart of the future, and every teacher, no matter where they are, bets a spark of the heart. That's all, and thank you.